every time I don't plan my makeup, it always comes out looking like I didn't care. I don't like how it looks at all. It never comes out good when I do that, so I need to keep telling myself stop doing that. I'm gonna pick up Jahira and then we're gonna go see my dad, and then I can continue on with my editing today because I have to edit a lot of videos.
So yeah, that's good.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, man.
You ready to go see Grandpa?
Yeah, Grandpa.
Tell me if you can spot the surprise. We're gonna make a stop for you. Look for something blue.
IKEA. Can I go in the ball pit, please?
Of course you can go to the ball pit. That's where you always go.
So you can buy stuff. And I can pay and buying stuff, okay?
Okay, gotcha. So my dad wasn't picking up the phone, so I ended up having to stop at IKEA because this is the only place that I can actually like kill time. He's not calling me back. I don't know where he is, but I guess I just walk around IKEA. I'm actually really far from my house. Like, he's like probably more than an hour away from my house, so I can't like turn back.
Here, I'm not standing by a car. See?
Okay. She's so excited. You're not scared?
See cars.
See cars?
Yeah.
I don't really need anything in here. I'm just like browsing around. I don't even know why I came to this place to begin with, because I know myself. I'm just gonna end up buying something that I don't need, regretting it later. So I didn't get to see my dad. We ended up having to leave IKEA because we were there for like 2 hours and he didn't call me back, but then he ended up calling me back like 3 or 4 hours later saying that something was wrong with his phone. So oh my gosh. I'm getting sick. But I ended up going home and we're gonna have to postpone. But the footage that I did get for the vlog was literally gonna be like my first actual attempt to vlog for you guys. This is kind of like a feeling of what my vlogs will be looking like. If you guys like the style of the vlog and you want me to do more vlogs like that, of course longer vlogs, because I know this vlog was super short and I'm so sorry about that, but I didn't really have any more footage. So that was all the footage that I got, and I want to do vlogs for you guys, but I do want to feel like you guys want to watch it. I don't want to just do vlogs if you guys don't want to see me vlog. I want to do videos that you guys want to see. So if you do want me to do these vlogs, I want you to leave a comment and let me know. Also, give me a thumbs up and I will definitely be doing another vlog following this one next week. And I'm thinking about doing my vlogs every Sunday. I will be posting them at a certain time, but I will keep you posted on that. And the purpose of this vlog was for me to step out of my comfort zone, because I am a little bit vlog shy, like really open up and talk in front of the camera. As you know, I always do voiceovers and stuff like that because I'm still like camera shy and everything like that. So your support will be highly appreciated in this video, because it's going to literally make me feel like I can do this and I can become better each and every day. And I want, for anybody that's out there that wants to do a channel, I want you to use this video as your inspiration to just go ahead and try something that you're not comfortable with, because you never know what can happen, how successful you could be whenever you just go ahead and just try something. Like, what do you have to lose? So on that note, I'm going to let you guys decide, and I will see you in my next video.